God, my mouth is sure watering. But that aside, then, let's also find out what the outlook is for the defense sector. The geopolitical instability has given rise to another race for arms, which cannot be avoided by any country. India is facing a threat from multiple frontiers. It's also on a modernization drive and a major transformation for the defense sector from the import dependence to make in India and exporting to the world. My colleague Sumit Chaturvedi explains this paradigm shift for India's defense sector.
The continuing Russia-Ukraine war has underscored the need for nations to be better equipped. While the old war technologies and techniques are still relevant, the recent conflicts have shown a completely new face of the new age warfare. Given the challenges, India is also on an overdrive to equip its armed forces with the latest technologies. The quest that began with Atmanirbhar Bharat has now moved to the advanced stage, from being a buyer to becoming a global arms seller.
भारत दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डिफेंस इंपोर्टर हुआ करता था। आज भारत डिफेंस सेक्टर में भी एक बड़ा निर्यातक बनता जा रहा है। आज भारत का डिफेंस एक्सपोर्ट 2014 की तुलना में 8 गुना से ज्यादा बढ़ चुका है।
सैफ्रॉन वो भी इंजन बनाता है। यूके, इन सब सारी कंट्रीज में भी जो इंजन्स बन रहे हैं, कौन से ऐसे इंजन्स हैं जो कि वो भारत में बनाए जा सकते हैं? कौन कंट्री टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर करने के लिए तैयार है? तो यह सब सारी हमारी बातें चल रही हैं और सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज को हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इंजन तो हम भारत में ही बनाना चाहते हैं। बहुत हो गया इंजन का इंपोर्ट करते हुए। इंजन में भी भारत को एक्सपोर्टर कंट्री बनाना चाहते हैं।
India is selling to the world. HAL developed light combat aircraft Tejas, missiles including BrahMos, long-range artillery guns, multi-barrel rocket launchers, tanks, advanced radars, sensors and electronic warfare equipment, and even interceptor boats. India supplies weapons and equipment to almost 100 countries, including Italy, the US, UK, France, the Maldives, Russia, Sri Lanka, the UAE, the Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Poland, Egypt, Israel, Spain, Chile, Mauritius and Seychelles. India's defense exports have now reached an all-time high mark of 21,083 crore rupees in FY24, registering a 32.5% growth. Around 60% of the exports have been carried out by the private sector. India has set a target of exporting defense products worth 35,000 crore rupees in FY25. Looking at India's potential, the global arms manufacturers are setting up a base in India. While the Swedish arms major Saab recently announced the first 100% FDI project to manufacture the Carl Gustav M4 rocket system, and recently defense major Israel Aerospace Industries has also opened an Indian subsidiary.
Well, we are already working with the tens and tens of manufacturers, local manufacturers in India. We are thinking to invest in our own production manufacturing facilities. ASI, the company I run, already opened 5 locations across India.
As India is on a modernization drive for the armed forces, it continues to hold the title of the world's largest arms importer, though the overall arms imports have declined 11% between 2013 to 2017 and 2018 to 2022.
The ascendance of India in the global market of defense manufacturing is clearly hard to miss. India is making weapons not just for itself but for the other markets. The recent Russia-Ukraine war has shown the fragility of supply chain as well, and in that context it is important India should have its own weapons ecosystem. Sumit Chaturvedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.